Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So this is a special video regarding which literature review template is the best template and which gives a better answer for you. So many of our subscribers and fellow researchers are asking, so which one will be the best literature review template. So let us go on to today's video and analyze different literature review templates, and we will conclude so which one will be best for which purpose. For example, many of us asking for conference paper writing, so many of us asking for their research paper writing, and many of us asking for review paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore all the literature review templates, and we will conclude which literature review template will be best for all paper writing types. So go to LMS Research Support. So this is our AI tool. So here you can see AI chatbot. So in this AI chatbot you will be having different templates, that is LMS AI templates, starting from summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, reference to content, reference style converter. So like that, these are the different templates, AI templates especially designed for research. So for literature review alone we will be having 5 different templates, starting from literature review, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, and you can see reference to content. So in order to make a conference paper, in order to make a instant literature review, so you can use literature review and reference to content. So both of them will be of same type, so you can give references, that references will be converted into content. So in this first literature review, so you can give 5 references. Just I am going to click that one. So here you can see you can add 5 different references. That references is converted into key points, and that is the main key points of the references, and also limitations associated with the particular references will be generated. As many of you are familiar, I am going to show once again so how it will be done. So I am going to take a random paper. So here you can see I am going to take random paper in a journal. So for example, say I am going to take this paper, machine learning and cochlear implantation predicting the post-operative electrode impedances. So I am going to click this one. So after that you come to the reference section of the paper. So you can see the references, 5 different references, take 5 different references. So you can go to the template called literature review template and then click on literature review. So it will generate that is, you can see the main points and limitations associated with the particular reference. So here you can see that our content is generated. So with citation it is generated. So this is the first one. 𝐴𝐴 et al. Investigated the effect of yearly activation of cochlear implantation on electrode implementation in pediatric population. The main finding of the study was that yearly activation of cochlear implantation led to the decrease in electrode impedance. This suggests that yearly activation can improve the performance and functionality of cochlear implants in pediatric patients. So like that you can generate an instant literature review using this literature review option. So next you can have a reference to content option. So just to click on reference to content option. So in this reference to content option is also like same. So you can copy the references and you can give APA, that is style of the particular citation. So and then click. So just a minute, it will take time to load. So again we will refresh the page again. So yes, now copy the references and give the style of the particular reference, that is citation. So let us see how it will generate content. So in the first literature review you can see that every literature review is given individually, that is reference 1, like that, reference 1, reference 2, reference 3 up to reference 5. So in this reference to content, so all will be converted into a single paragraph. So it's consolidated. Here you can see. So here 𝐴𝐴 et al. 2021, the effect of yearly activation of cochlear implants on electrodes. So like that you can get a paragraph of literature review. So you can copy and paste the same literature review, just you have to check it once. So with the proper citation it will be generated. So my suggestion is that in order to do an instant literature review, especially for conference paper writing. So you can use these two templates, that is literature review and reference to content template. So in order to make a detailed analysis and you have to make a perfect key points of the particular references, so you can try this detailed literature review. Just click on detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review, so you will be asked with this particulars. So you can see here, please add title of the paper, please add abstract of the paper, please add introduction part of the paper, please add conclusion of the paper. So in order to get a perfect and pinpointed literature review, so you can use this detailed literature review option. So here you can copy paste the content. So this is the conclusion part. So again I am going for an introduction part of the paper. So you can go to the introduction part of the paper. So this literature review help you to get a better analysis, better understanding about a particular topic. So especially those who are making a perfect SEA indexed paper, you can use this template. So because a literature review must be a well analyzed one. So in this template, that is detailed literature review template, so we are giving the content of the paper, that is very important. So after giving content of the paper only, the summary of the content will be generated. So that must reflects the very key points, and also it will give a perfect review of the particular paper what we are asking for. So next you can copy and paste the title here. So here this is the title of the paper. So this is the random paper we have chosen. So after giving all the particulars, just click literature review. So let us see how this will be generated as a content. So let us see that. So here you can see a detailed summary of the paper is generated. So main findings of the paper is generated. Limitations of the paper is details are generated. So here you can see this paper focuses on the prediction of post-operative electrode impedance in cochlear implantation of plants. It highlights the importance of measuring electrode impedance to verify the electrodes and status and determining compliance level. The paper utilizes data set of 8 pediatric patients who received cochlear implantation with middle flex 28 electrode array. So here this word is not mentioned particularly in this particular that is the literature review we have discussed before. It's like a overall explanation and key points only justified in that literature review template we have explored before. But in this detailed literature review, you can get the pinpointed techniques or pinpointed points. Here you can see this medflex 28 is a very important thing in this paper, electrode array. So like that you have to analyze your paper very thoroughly, so thereby you can get what is the important techniques used, controllers used, etc. in that particular paper. That is very important for a detailed literature review. So whenever you are writing a paper for a SEA index or a Scopus indexed paper, so you can use this kind of paper because there is no limitations in that paper count. So you can make use of this option to write a detailed literature review and a perfect literature review. I can say this detailed literature review template will provide a perfect literature review for you. Just you can copy and paste the content, so you can just cite it out, that is enough. So you will get a better literature review out of it. So this will be a better literature review template when compared with all other templates when we are going for a premium journal paper. So you can use this detailed literature review template. So next you can see a chatbot. Again you can have a chat with paper option. So in this chat with paper, so this is especially designed for those who are doing review paper. So whenever you are going for a review paper, you have to analyze your reference paper bits and pieces. So in order to do so, this will be a better and a fantastic that is AI template where you can analyze your paper bits and pieces. Just you can copy and paste. For example, say I am going to copy and paste the abstract of the paper. or you can copy and paste the results and discussion part of the paper, and you can ask whatever the questions you want. So like that, whatever the questions you ask, then AI will generate answer for you. From that answer you will be getting a better and clear idea about what you are asking for. So this is chat with paper option. So you can analyze your content bits and pieces. So this AI template will be designed especially for review paper writing. So those who are writing review paper can use this template. You can copy and paste even 2 or 3 lines which you can't able to understand, and ask AI to analyze for you, then AI will do for you. So next one is that here you can see chat with PDF template. So just click on this chat with PDF template. So in this chat with PDF template, many of you can aware that you can upload your paper. That paper will be analyzed very better. So that is the template is all about. So here you can see I am going to give a username. So this will be the dashboard of this chat with PDF. So in this chat with PDF you can browse files, and you can upload paper, any paper you want, and you can get the explained abstract of the paper, contributions of the paper, related papers, practical implications of the paper, summarize and detection of the paper, literature survey of the paper, methods used in this paper, what data have been used in this paper, results of the paper, conclusions of this paper. In this you will be having a unique point called literature survey of the paper. So you can by asking this literature survey of the paper, then AI will generate literature survey about that particular paper also. So you can use that literature survey, or else you can analyze your paper bits and pieces. So you can ask any questions you want. So this template is especially designed for to make a better literature review for any SEA or Scopus indexed journals, or else you can use it for your review paper writing also. So whenever coming to review paper, as I have already told, you have to analyze your reference paper very better. Even you have to analyze the data present in the reference paper very better. So thereby only you can get a better idea about that paper, and you can write a detailed review on that particular paper. So whenever you are going for a literature review, so in order to make a instant literature review, you can go with literature review and reference to content option. So this will give you a better literature review with proper citation. So just copy and paste, then it's get rid of your problem in having time consumption. So you can just copy and paste the literature review generated by AI. As far as a detailed literature review is concerned, in order to get a perfect literature review and by using the content in the reference paper, so you can use this detailed literature review option, so which will be helpful for you to write a better and a very concise, crisp and precise research paper literature review for you. So you can use the detailed literature review for just journal paper writing. So whenever you are going for a review paper writing, so you can use this chat with paper and chat with PDF. So this will brings out a better understanding about your reference paper, and you can analyze your reference paper bits and pieces, what are the methods used, what is the data used in that particular paper. So like that, I am classifying this 5 literature review templates into 3 categories. That is one for instant and fast literature review, next one is for a perfect literature review, third one is for review paper writing literature review. So all these templates will be very helpful for you. So whatever the thing you are choosing, just it depends upon you to take which literature review better for your research paper. So every research paper quality and the nature will vary according to the stream of the paper that you are going to choose, stream of the study. So you can make use of any of the literature review. It is available for all the streams, for all the types. So you can make use of any of the literature review to write your research paper. All this literature review will be useful for you to make your literature review writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you.